Now see here g of s into h of s value is 100 into 1 plus s by 10 divided by, here s is there, right? S into 1 plus s by 5 into 1 plus s by 2. Now the equation in the standard form, right? That is k into 1 plus s into t1 divided by s into 1 plus st2 into 1 plus st3. Okay, always you have to write the equation in terms of some constant k into 1 plus st divided by whatever the values. How many poles are present? 3. That means s is as it is 1 plus st2 1 plus st3. In this form you need to write. Okay, if I compare with that standard equation, what is the k value here? K value is equals to 100. When k value is 100, then in terms of dB, that is 20 log k 100. This value will be 20 log 10 into 100 can be written as 10 square, right? Then 10 comes to numerator, 10 comes to here. Okay, then (40) log 10 to 10, right? 40 log 10 value will be 40 dB. Okay, that means this slope starts at 40 dB, this constant value. Okay, for that purpose only we are doing all this procedure. Okay, that means the initial slope, that means this dB value will be starting slope based upon this constant value is 40 dB. Okay, after that at origin what present? S, that is pole, right? That means minus 20 dB per decay. Okay, up to 2 radians per second. Initial slope will be pole, right? This is minus 1 by pole is nothing but minus 20 dB per decay. Next, after that from 2 to 5, right? Again s is equals to 2, omega t is equals to 2 radian. Again it is pole, right? Okay, again pole means again minus 20 dB per decay. Already minus 20 dB per decay is present. Okay, that means again minus 20 to minus 20, minus 40 dB per decay. Next, s plus 5, right? Again minus 20, that means minus 20 minus 20, again minus 20 is added, right? That is minus 60 dB per decay. Okay, next at s is equals to 10, omega is equals to 10. What is here? It is 0, right? For 0 means increasing, right? Increasing slope, that is plus 20, right? For s term plus 20 dB per decay. Here minus 60 dB per decay. Then the resultant slope is minus 60 plus 20 minus 40 dB per decay. Okay, in this way we can plot the Bode plot. Okay, for checking purpose, now see here, if 3 poles are present, right? Each pole is having minus 20 minus 20 minus 20, total is minus 60 dB per decay. Only one pole, right? Okay, then plus 20, right? Minus 60 plus 20, approximately the final resultant value will be minus 40 dB per decay. In this way we can check this value. Okay, in this way we can plot the Bode plot. Okay, if we want to plot the phase angle plot, now see here what is given: 100 into s plus 10 by s into s plus 5 into s plus 2, right? 1 by s is nothing but that value can be written as minus 90, right? Next, s plus 2, first value, that is s is nothing but j omega, right? That means tan inverse y by x, right? Denominator term can be written as minus tan inverse y value will be omega by 2. Similarly, s plus 5 minus tan inverse omega by 5. Next, similarly, s plus 10, that value will be, here it is plus, why? Because it is in numerator, right? That is plus tan inverse omega by 10. You need to substitute omega value for different values of omega. Omega is equals to 0, omega is equals to 2, omega is equals to 5, omega is equals to 10. Then we can calculate phi value. After that we need to plot the phase plot, that is phase angle plot, that is omega versus angle phi. Okay, this value will be varies from 90 to some different value. In this way we can plot the phase plot. Okay, next, same again, if Bode plot is given, then how to find out the g of s? Okay, by knowing g of s, then we can calculate transfer function, right? Now see here Bode plot is given, right? Okay, this is 54 dB, it is m in dB. Okay, here this value is 54, right? Initial slope is minus 40 dB per decay. After that, next slope is minus 60 dB per decay. Next slope is minus 40 dB per decay. After that, minus 60 dB per decay. Okay, to find out the g of s, the standard formula will be g of s is equals to k into s power m into 1 plus st1 into whole power n power n1 into, right, 1 plus st2 into whole power n2, so on, 1 plus s into tp into whole power n suffix p. Okay, where m and n, how to calculate this m and n values are important. P is nothing but here number of poles. M is nothing but initial slope divided by 2. N is nothing but change in slope at corner frequency divided by 20. Now see here, from the given Bode plot, now we will see how to calculate g of s. First of all, I need to calculate m, right? This is initial slope, right? M is equals to initial slope divided by 20, that is m is equals to initial slope will be minus 40 dB per decay divided by 20, that is equals to minus 2, that is m value is minus 2. That means here s power minus 2 is the first term. Okay, k into s power minus 2, this is the first term, k into s power minus 2. Next, n, what is the value of n? N is equals to change in slope at corner frequency divided by 20. Now see here, this is corner frequency, right? This is also another corner frequency, this is also another corner frequency. At 2 radians per second, at 5 radians per second, at 10 radians per second, we need to calculate n value. First at 2 radians per second. Okay, now see here, this slope will be, I can represent it here, 2, 5, 10. Okay, at point 2, that means at this point 2, change in slope, first minus 60 minus of 40 divided by 20, right? That is minus 60 plus 40 divided by 20, that is n value will be minus 1, that is k into s power minus 2, first term will be 1 plus st1 into minus 1. Okay, next n, next to n value, change in slope, right? Minus 40 minus of minus plus 60 divided by 20, that is n value will be 2. Next case, 1 plus st2 into whole power 1. Okay, next, at 25 radians per second, change in slope will be minus 60 minus 40 divided by 20, that value will be again minus 1, right? That means the third term will be 1 plus st3 into whole power minus 1. See here t1 is equals to 1 by omega 1. Omega 1 value how much here? 2. Then t1 is equals to 1 by 2. T2 is equals to 1 by omega 2, that is equals to t2 is equals to 1 by 5. T3 is equals to 1 by 25. Okay, next, here t1, t2, t3 values are calculated, right? Now substitute those terms here. We will get s power minus 2 into 1 plus s by 2 into whole power minus 1, 1 plus s by 5, right? T2 value 1 by 5 plus 1 whole power plus 1. Next, 1 plus s by 25 whole power minus 1, right? Now see here I need to calculate k term, right? Calculation of k is important. Here at this constant, what is the dB value? 54 dB, right? Okay, initial slope is k by s square, right? Okay, to calculate this k value, 54 dB is there, right? That 54 dB is equals to k by square. Okay, this k by square value represented in terms of dB is 20 log 10 k. Denominator is s square, means that is minus 20 log 10 s square, right? That is 20 log base 10 k minus 20 log base 10 s square. S is nothing but, if I consider magnitude, that is omega square, right? Then 2 comes to numerator, 2 into 20 you will get 40, that is minus 40. 20 log 10 omega is equals to 54. Okay, now see here, at 0 point what is the frequency is given? 0.1, right? 0.1 can be written as 1 by 10. 1 by 10 value can be written as 10 to the power minus 1, right? That is 20 log base 10 k minus 40 log 10 to the power minus 1 is equals to 54, right? Then 20 log base 10 k is equals to 54. I can take this term to RHS side, right? That is plus 40 log base 10 to the power minus 1 minus of plus, again you will get here minus, that is 54 minus 40 log base 10, right? That is 20 log base 10 k is equals to 54 minus 40, right? Then log base 10 k is equals to, if I simplify this equation, I will get k value as 5. If I write here, I will get g of s is equals to 5 into s power minus 2 can be written as 5 by s square, right? After that, if I simplify this equation, you will get s plus 5 divided by 50 into s plus 5 divided by s square into s plus 2 into s plus 25. Okay, in this way we can find out the g of s value from the given Bode plot. Okay, thank you all.